New Acropolis is a school of practical philosophy, where philosophy for us is a way of life. It's not just to learn about philosophers, but to make them more alive for us in our day-to-day lives. One way to think of it is to live a life with meaning.
You know, in the world that we live, Baman says that I take everything I need from the jungle and I have enough. You know, and where it's never enough, you know, so what is enough? I think it is this inherent need of whatever we do, trying to show up in our best form. You know, be it a short, be it a feature, be it a documentary, whatever it is, you know, whatever piece of content we put out in the universe will have our names on it and they matter.
Baba Bulle Shah has a very beautiful and a very unique way of saying what I'm not. ना मैं शादी ना गम ना की, ना मैं विच पलीती पाकी. I'm neither in joy nor in sorrow. I'm neither the impure amongst the pure. Finally, he talks about what he has found. अव्वल आखिर आप नू जाना, ना कोई दूजा होर पछाना. I know myself as the first and the last. My core, my source, my inner soul. Na main paka vich malita, na main Musa na Faraon, na main Musa na Faraon. Ki jana main kaun, ki jana main kaun, bullya ki jana main kaun.
So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you.
In Latin culture, it's very interesting. It's come from cultivating, and it's related, they said, to Cicero from Rome. He said it's a cultivation of the philosophical soul. Maybe the most important thing to say about culture is that it elevates us. And I think we saw the example today with the dance, with the talk, that elevate us in spite of what happened around us, in spite of the circumstances. And we live in a world that we need it more and more.
যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়, সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খোলে। তবে পরাণ খোলে, ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে.